So AI is the multiplier in terms of your ability to be more human. But the reason for that is something really interesting. Here's what AI handles. So AI is really good right now in terms of summarizing, drafting, modeling, pattern, doing. Just shout out for me what you guys use AI for right now. I use it to write every day. Anyone else? What do you do? Drafting, right? What else? Data, summarizing data, check the data. What's that? Pattern, a lot of pattern. Wordsmith, yeah, definitely wordsmith, but check it. Get rid of those M dashes. I can tell right away when you've used AI. Yeah, yeah. Everything is in triplicate, and it sounds like AI wrote it. Okay, so this is what, and by the way, I use it for everything. I plan my travel on it, everything. I spend probably about 7 hours a day on AI, and I'll tell you more stories about that, but believe me, when the machines take over, they are coming for me. They know a lot about me now. But here's the other piece that I love, which is this is what humans own. The judgment, it's on you, the accountability. Strategy, vision, courage, decision making. AI prioritizes, it doesn't decide. You decide. Creativity and imagination, it's still terrible for that, by the way. And thinking. So just by show of hands, as you look at these two columns, which side are you spending most of your time on? Who spends during the day most of their time on the left-hand column? Yeah, people are like this. They're like, my boss might be watching. How many people spend most of their time on the right-hand side? Good. So here's the thing, is that what side actually provides the most value? The right-hand side. So that's why we do want to leverage AI so we can shift more of the time to the right. So here's the real thing of why we're here, and I'm going to start talking about what you need to build. The reality with AI is only as good as what it's given. AI connects dots that exist. And that's why so much of what you get from it, oh, it's interesting and it's creative, but it might have been done before. Humans actually have the creative spark that connect dots that don't yet exist. AI is in probabilities, humans are in possibilities. And so what is really cool about that is your job as AI takes stuff off the plate and you start to think more, is you're going to be able to come up with the dots and have the time to do that don't yet exist. So I want to talk about innovation and see if you've experienced any of these. So has anyone been to the Sphere in Vegas? Oh, nice. What'd you guys see?
The Eagles.
You saw, oh, you just went there, didn't you? Lucky. What'd you see?
The Wizard of Oz.
Oh, that was supposed to be great, by the way. I have not been in yet, but what I love about the Sphere is this isn't something necessarily that AI would have come up with, because the technology didn't exist. And someone asked the question, in fact, it was the president of MSG, Madison Square Garden, in 2016, that's a long time ago now, said, what if entertainment wasn't just using a lot of technology, but was completely immersive? Right? When you were there, right, you had the haptic seats, there's wind, there's scent, there's 160,000 screens. Isn't that amazing? In 500,000 square feet. It makes a lot of people sick, by the way, when they go. But very entertaining, nonetheless. But this was a completely new experience that actually came up with the idea first, then the technology followed. And there's other ones like this that we have to remember that this is what humans are really good at. Like there's a lot of places, a lot of countries around the world, and this is why you should get out and travel. You should get out and travel because there are a lot of dots that are already connected, but you just aren't aware of them. So this is in India, but also in Sri Lanka, they are actually creating new forms of energy by harnessing waste and the energy, the heat from it, and turning it into electricity on the grid. Fantastic. Or, by the way, if you've got kids, I know everyone wants to go into technology, but material science is another place where it is definitely at. And what was really cool in terms of this innovation is this is self-healing concrete. And they took concrete, AI didn't come up with this, and they worked with scientists to inject microbes, live microbes into it. And so in places like India, but also in the Netherlands and in Germany, their streets heal themselves. And what that does, which is so interesting, it's ignited by liquid, usually water, right? It's supposed to be water-based. But what that does is it saves tons of money. They estimate about $1 trillion worldwide if you have self-healing materials, and it makes it safer. Because these materials make it so you don't, right, with water or with snow, that you don't slip. These are the kinds of things that humans put together, the dots that don't yet exist.